Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're tackling a super helpful feature on your Apple TV, audio descriptions. Have you ever wondered what that voice is narrating everything happening on screen? That's audio description, and while it's fantastic for accessibility, sometimes you just want it off. In this video, we'll show you how to easily turn audio descriptions on and off on your Apple TV. It's a quick and simple process, so you can adjust it to your preference in just a few seconds. Before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Apple TV tips and tricks. It really helps us out. Okay, let's get started. There are actually a couple of ways you can do this. Method 1, using Siri, the quickest way. The fastest way to toggle audio descriptions is using Siri. Just grab your Apple TV remote and hold down the Siri button. Then simply say, *turn audio descriptions on, if they're off. *turn audio descriptions off, if they're on. Seriously, it's that easy. Siri will take care of it instantly. Method 2, through settings. If you prefer the manual approach, here's how to do it through the settings. 1. Go to Settings * on your Apple TV home screen, navigate to the settings icon and click on it. 2. Accessibility * scroll down until you find Accessibility, and select it. 3. Audio descriptions * look for Audio descriptions. It might be located under Vision, or listed directly within the Accessibility menu, depending on your tvOS version. 4. Toggle on/off * simply click on Audio descriptions, and use the toggle switch to turn them on or off. When it's green, it's on. When it's gray, it's off. And that's it. You've successfully turned audio descriptions on or off using the settings menu. Final thoughts. So there you have it, 2 simple methods for managing audio descriptions on your Apple TV. Choose whichever one works best for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to RoamTips.com for more awesome Apple TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.